Zalter-Minden. And can you say something about you? Also,
Yes, I'm a social worker by profession, and I worked for many, many years in healthcare. And I was introduced to the solution-focused approach by Insu and Steve. And
top names.
as soon as I met them, I knew that that's how I wanted to practice, and I was very lucky that the hospital where I worked paid for me to go and get
That's a
trained
great chance.
by them. Yes,
Yeah.
so I was trained by them for a couple of years. I kept going back to Milwaukee, and then I would train other people as a supervisor of social work with my colleague Heather Fisk, who also worked there at the same time as a psychologist. So we were very fortunate. And then I worked in adolescent mental health and then in pediatric oncology for 4 years using only the solution-focused approach. And then I had an opportunity to do somebody's maternity leave and organizational development. And I found that using the solution-focused approach with staff and teams in organizations was really fun. And so I stayed in that field, and I've been doing that ever since. And recently I retired from full-time work, and now I do consulting and organizational development, a little bit of coaching here and there, and it's really fun. I'm enjoying it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Something you would like to share with the audience via Facebook?
Let's see. Just that the solution-focused approach can be adapted and modeled in any kind of setting with any kind of population clinically, and of course also with teams and staff. And most recently, I read David Shaquette's book about strength-based Lean Six Sigma. And I discovered in the hospital that I've been working for that they've implemented Lean. So now I'm on this journey for how to take Lean and make it solution-focused, because the staff at the hospital who have been on this Lean mission have been inundated in their perception with negative, problem-focused conversations for a year and a half now. And even though I had recommended some solution-focused approaches to Lean back then, they weren't ready to hear it. And now they've called me back into the hospital to do a workshop for them on solution-focused Lean, which I'm just constructing and creating and building from new, and it's really exhilarating. Lots of fun. Great results.
Where can we find anything about your work or something like this?
That's a very good question. I have plans to write an article on solution-focused Lean. It's in my head. It's not on paper yet.
Okay.
And I do have a website which doesn't have much information about me yet. It's still in the building process, but it's www.bzmsolutions.com.
And coming more on this.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.